Hey fellas, today we have a syrup continuously pouring out of a Rattler Bargun, even after letting go of the button. This is a stuck stem plunger assembly found in the handle. This can be caused by a few things. One reason is pulpy syrups such as pineapple or orange juice can leave a piece of the pulp, causing the stem to not close all the way and letting syrup just continuously pour. This happens in Wonder Bars as well as Rattlers. Another reason that is very easy to see when you take it apart is a broken spring, which will prevent the plunger assembly or stem plunger assembly from closing. It's very noticeable when you take it apart. Another reason is if the other two don't apply, is it's possible that the stem plunger is getting stuck on the O-ring, and that's what we have today. Another common issue is the screw holding the butterfly plates in place is too tight. Make sure those screws are loose when you open it up and when you put it back together again. Bartender told me that pineapple won't stop pouring, so I closed all of the flow controls except pineapple to verify, and that's exactly what we see here. On Rattlers, I've seen this on many different syrups, including soda. It is not just limited to pulpy stuff. Before we take apart the bar gun, we want to shut off all of the flow controls. Try using the red tool provided, but as you can see, sometimes pliers are necessary. Just be careful.
Thank you very much.
Next thing we're going to do is relieve pressure. This is very important. Do not forget this step or you may lose some springs. Careful with the springs. Check to see if any are bent, broken, or rusted. So what we're doing here is pushing the stem through. We're using a metal tool provided in the Bargun kit. You'll see me also grab a pick, and that's to push it all the way through. Once we're done pushing that through and grabbing the stem, we're going to want to grab the O-ring that goes with the stem, and we're going to use that metal tool again, except we're going to flip it over and use the mushroom tip side. And that's the mushroom tip. Just insert it and then pull out, and that O-ring should come right out any second. There it is. Success. So what I'm doing here is I'm lubricating that O-ring with food safe lubricant. Wonder Bar recommends a silicone based lube, which I unfortunately don't have. However, I will source it and let you all know what it is. And once you're done lubing that up, you're going to put that O-ring through the stem of the stem plunger assembly, and then you're going to put the whole thing into the handle. Alrighty fellas, after all this, you're going to want to test the syrup to make sure what you did worked, and then you're going to turn on all of the flow controls. After that, you're going to want to test each of the buttons to make sure everything is functioning and to make sure the butterflies aren't getting stuck, and then you'll be done.